Hi, so this is just a quick video to show how Djuli can also be used with Autolab data. So Djuli is an online database with much functionality, but it's in this instance we're talking about how it's tuned to work with electrochemical data. And that electrochemical data could be from the ZP product lines, CH Instruments, PalmSense, Autolab, and probably by the time you're watching this, many others. But first thing I'm going to do then is deal with Autolab. So what we're going to do in this video is show an upload of Autolab data. So I'm inside my Djuli account. I'm inside one of my clusters. Inside clusters we have essentially programs, and then inside programs we have reports. So what I'm going to do here is add a report, and I'm going to call my report Autolab. And what I will do is I will add the file that I'm interested in. So I'm going to upload it from my computer. So I've got an example file here, open, and that's uploading there. So that's the file. The next thing I'm going to do is go to properties, and it's discrete data. It's not continuous data in terms of it's not data that being continually collected over several hours or several minutes. This is a single experiment, so we call it a discrete. It is voltammetry. So if you notice when I do that, then that appears like that. So I go to voltammetry. The x-axis is voltage, and the y-axis is microamps. I'm going to show the raw graph, and then I should close that. It's extracting the data, and it's uploaded the data, and there's my, well, I say my data, there's the data there. So in order to do that, if I was, it was tools, what we did is we went into tools, and under files I uploaded it, and then under properties I chose under discrete values I chose voltammetry, and then I just chose voltage and microamps there, and I was able to, as you saw, import the data and get the data like that. Okay, so as Djuli develops and increases in functionality, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at Zimmer Peacock. Okay, thanks very much.